Watch how the glowing metal is shaped precisely under intense heat and pressure to form the valve. Once it cools down, the stem gets a precision trim, no rough edges allowed here. Next, it's time for a shiny makeover as the stem is carefully filled and polished to a sparkling finish. But the magic doesn't stop. More filing fine-tunes the shape until it's just right. The stem is filled for strength and style, then trimmed to a smooth, polished finish, ready to perform flawlessly. Snipping off any extra bits for that flawless finish. Here, your engine valve is born, ready to power up the engine with style and strength.